We're going to learn how to set up payment on Yocale. Use the left side menu and navigate to the Payment Setup page. Begin by clicking to connect to Stripe. After activating Stripe on the account, we can then add information, which is logging into your Stripe account. And after logging in, we can start entering the business details. When we're done, we'll click Continue and move on to entering the business owner details. And we'll press Continue to move on to the bank details, including the statement descriptor, which is really important because that's what shows up on the client statements. And after submitting that, we'll be able to review all our submissions. If we're happy, we'll be able to click Agree and Submit. And now, after submitting, we'll just have to wait for the account to be set to active. This usually takes a couple of hours. After the account becomes active, we can review all of the information we have submitted and make any changes accordingly. Over here, we're going to change the customer support number. And that's it. You should be good to go for setting up your payments.